In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your database name and login email in Odoo. To get started, open Odoo and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace so the information you see matches the database you want to check. If you have access to more than one environment, it's a good idea to pay close attention to what opens after you sign in. Once you're inside Odoo, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find account-related options and settings. From the menu that appears, select My Databases. This section shows the databases connected to your account, and it's the quickest place to confirm which database you're currently using or have access to. When the list appears, look for your database in the available entries. The database name is displayed along with the rest of the database information. Take a moment to read it carefully, especially if several databases have similar names. This is useful when you need to identify the correct database for support, configuration, or general account management. After you've confirmed the database name, the next part is checking the login associated with your Odoo account. Open your Odoo database, then once again go to the upper right corner and click your profile icon. This will bring up the same account menu, but this time you'll choose a different option. From that menu, select My Preferences. This opens your personal settings area, where you can review details related to your user profile. In the Change My Preferences window, look at the top section. That's where your login email address is displayed. This email is the one tied to your Odoo login, so it's important to verify it carefully if you're troubleshooting access issues, confirming account ownership, or updating login-related information. If you were trying to find out both your database name and the email used to sign in, you've now checked both directly from inside Odoo. And that's it. By going to My Databases, you can identify your database name, and by opening My Preferences, you can view the email address connected to your login. These are simple but important details to know whenever you're managing your Odoo account.